healthcare system faced a gigantic challenge through the COVID-19 pandemic. Given the spontaneous nature of transition, we continue in our efforts to pivot the theme focusing on the new normal in healthcare. How to overcome the challenges during a pandemic era. On behalf of the Saudi Cardiac Clinical Pharmacy Scientific and Organizing Committee, it is with great pleasure to welcome you all on the virtual SCCP 20 of Scope in Health this 18th to 19th December 2020. Join us in the making of this virtual event historical and with a memorable experience through an easy sign-in process through the following steps. Open the link provided on the registration email sent to you prior, and it will direct you to the virtual conference user login portal. Kindly enter your email address and password provided to you on your received registration email. In case you have forgotten your password, you may click on the Forgot Password button, and you will receive an email to reset your password. In case you have not registered yet, kindly click on the button for Register Now. You can directly watch the welcome note. Once you have signed in, you will be directed to the main lobby. This will be your ideal starting point. You may edit your profile by clicking on the profile icon on the upper right corner and the notification bell icon beside the profile icon, which serves as the notification for the latest announcement of the virtual conference. You can switch between halls with just one click on the lobby or by clicking the tabs located at the upper side of your dashboard without any hassle or long walks. Here in the auditorium, you will attend live sessions in webinar format. Please take note of the following upon attending a session. Click this Maximize icon to view in full screen, and make sure to join audio by computer by clicking the headphones icon. You may click the raise hand icon to get attention of the speaker or moderator and ask your questions to the Q&A type box by clicking the Q&A icon. Click the Leave Webinar button to leave the session. You will find the agenda according to the hall-wise. When you click the Join Session button, it will automatically take you to the live session, and down here is a button where you may add to your Google Calendar to pin on your schedule and keep you notified. In this unique virtual exhibition hall, our industry partners will be showcasing the latest devices, innovations, and interventional therapies. Even the booth is designed to look realistic and includes documents, videos, individual branding, and contacts. When you click the booth, you may check their services provided in the description box, and you can add their documents or videos to your virtual bag and send it to your email. You will also have the opportunity to interact with other industry partners by asking live questions by joining the Start Chat button. Here in the Information Desk, you can ask the online representatives through Joining Information Desk chat room, type your questions, and get your answers in real time. This lounge is only dedicated for the speakers and moderators. Lastly, the Networking Lounge is dedicated for live chat through group and private chat rooms with other participants. SCCP 20 wish you all good health, and with our warmest greetings, welcome to the new norm.